Friends, we are going to show how to make roasted cumin powder at home. Cumin powder is used widely in Indian cooking, and a freshly roasted grounded powder gives a good flavor and health properties. Ingredients: 50 grams cumin seeds, Method: heat a pan, add cumin seeds, dry roast on medium flame for 2 minutes. Make sure you stir to roast evenly. While you hear a crackling sound, turn off flame. Transfer to a plate and keep aside 5 minutes for cooling. Transfer to grinding jar. Grind to fine powder. Transfer to bowl and let it cool. Cumin powder is ready. Store in airtight container for future use. Thanks for watching this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon.